morning, Tuesday, December 14. Looks like we got a trade here. I gotta take a quick shit. I had to take that quick before it filled there, guys. Sorry about that. The whole point on this one, let me just get it up on a better screen. Oh, look at that. It fucked us. See how it turned around right away on our price? Not a good sign. Oops, you can't even see that. And that's not the right ticker. Holy jumpins. Best video ever. This one is called GRTX. It's fresh. Sorry, so this is the daily chart here. If you can't see it, that's a huge gap down. That's a huge gap down there in October. So, where is our target? I think maybe $3.31. Other than that, we'd have to come all the way up to $6. So, is that interesting to me? $3.30. That's something. $3.30. Sure. We could take original profit there. We could take part of the profit there, right? And then maybe the rest, let it run up to $3.60 after that point, right? So let's go ahead and automate it. Sometimes this is a waste of time because it never gets there, right? So to overthink it and to build your orders way ahead of time, there's a lot of... You could be doing other stuff, right? So we're going to sell. We want it to come limit up into our price, right? We want it to limit up into our price. So that means go up. And I want to do part of it at 330. And we're going to say just take off 650 at that point, right? So when it gets there, then we can do that. It's saying 39 on that chart, eh? I don't want to leave too much on the table here. But we'll just see how this goes. GRTX. GRTX. Let's just see. We are in profit right now, but not very much. Jumpins. Where do we get in at? 309. Eek. That's okay. The best was 306, so we have our stop in there. Everything's there. Don't worry. Be happy. Oh no, here it comes. We'll have to pause it and see how this works out. But anyway, this is what I'm trying to say, is you can get this thing automated enough that we can take some profit out of it. I don't even know how much that's going to be. That's not going to be very much profit on that first little go. 5%, so that's okay. That's something. We're just going to keep plugging away here, right? This is the game. This is the thing. You're not going to get rich quick on this. That's for darn sure. You have to show up every day. This is like, people are like, oh, I don't want to work. Well, this isn't the right job for you then, right? Because you have to go every day. You have to be here on time, or early, really. And you have to do the job. And that means no fucking around. That means actually getting the profits out of the product, right? And then having your risk set. This is the only job on the, well, maybe not the only job, but there's just a limited amount of jobs on the planet that you can lose money at. And it makes it a tough day when you're down 300 or down 3,000 for the day. So, yeah, I don't know where I was going with that, but I mean, I'm just trying to emphasize the fact that this is a tough job. And it's definitely not for everybody. It's definitely not for everybody, right? I will pause it there so we can, not make this too long. Looks like we might get stopped out here. Shit. Our stop's at $2.93, so 93. Yeah, that's the proper spot. It just looks really tight on that other chart. I don't know why. Pretty good looking push there. We have to be mindful of this. Every time it comes to the high day, you got to be mindful of that, right? It's the way it is. I don't know how else to explain it, but we've got some really good volume coming in now. Hopefully we'll get our hit right here, and we can take some profits out of this thing. Where are we at? We need to get to $3.30. And the actual target's at $3.39. So let's just, maybe we can catch this in real time for you guys if you want to see it in real time. Wouldn't that be fun? Wouldn't that be fun to see it in real time? It's not going to do it right now. You see how hard it is to record it? The seconds count, right? Here, it might come right now. No, let's just wait a minute. There's a fresh 1 minute candle. See how this candle performs. See how my macro approach is really, sometimes it's tough. I guess we could dig into it, right? It takes, the first 15 seconds takes for it to figure it out. The next 15 seconds is it fighting it. The next 15 seconds, that puts us at 45 seconds. That's when it starts to wind itself down. And then the last 15 seconds, we're just waiting to see how the next candle will present itself, right? Which, that doesn't make a lot of sense, but that's what you get when you're HO. Just reviewing that $3.30 target, I'd much prefer that than 39. Yeah, I think we're in a good spot here to take profit if we can get it. Yeah. So now I'd like to see it hold support on VWAP, or basically our price, and then carry on. So on the side of my mind there, I was thinking about chasing the stop up to break even or something, right? Why would you want to take a loss here? Why would you want to take a loss here? If this does come back to VWAP, is that a problem? Why does it need to be so deep, the loss? We could tighten it up a hair. Let's maybe do that. We're not going to go by much here. I just want to, yeah. So where are we at? 93. $264 loss. So we're going to shave $70 off that. Right, that's okay. That's every dollar counts, man. Everybody forgets that. When you lose $70, you need to make $140 to come back away from that, right? Because you've lost the original 70, so now you've got to make that 70 plus 70 more. Let's see how this, come on, baby, go. If we can get above the 25 here, even if we can get above the, right here, 23, $3.22, we'll be doing pretty good. See, and it's like drawbacks like that will actually influence the whole crowd. This thing might collapse right now. That sucked. See the extra volume that came in there too? Let's see what that volume was. Holy jumpins, 600,000 shares traded hands at that point, right? Dang it. Somebody wanted out. See what I was saying about the patience, right? Like, and it's not my patience, it's actually others' patience. Yeah, like they just bailed. We're gonna get stopped out. That one little push, that was $1 million worth of shares. There's our stop off. Better shut that other order off. Always be mindful of your Always be mindful of your orders that are lingering. Go back to your broker, double check everything. Always go and double check your order book. Make sure that everything is closed. Excuse me. That's a problem, right? If you leave stuff on the table, like it can bite you in the ass later down the road. You'll be like, "What happened? I can't believe I just held 1,000 units of Apple." Like it's like, what happened? Long story short here. Fuck me. So not the end of the world. $198. But I mean, it's of a loss. That was a loss. Yeah, see how it's in red? And those are in and outs, right? There's a $5 commission on the way in and a $5 commission on the way out. I wouldn't say that the stop was too tight either. And look at it turning around now. God damn it. Tough call. Tough call on that one. But again, it's these cuts that you have to. This could have been $1,900. Okay, imagine if we were sized up. This could have been a $1,900 shot. in the arm, right? So, like, share, subscribe. What can we learn from this one? We had 2 or 3%, and we didn't take it on the hopes of a breakout. We moved our stop up. That was a good one, right? Because we didn't like look at it. It came down to the stop no matter what. So realistically, we should have taken it at break even, just like I was thinking. Um, yeah, like, share, subscribe. It's not what you trade; it's how you trade. And when we do this in real time, every time, it's not. It's not easy, man, guys. I'm still trying to make a career out of this. This is, it's not easy, guys. If you want to have a job where you have the potential of losing money, um, on December 14th, this is a Tuesday. It doesn't matter what day it is, right? Like, that's what you're up against, right? It's actually losing money. But when the spoils of war come, it's great. But when the other, it's hard, right? It's a hard job. It's a hard job. So if you want your high fives, you're gonna have to subscribe because that's the only way you're gonna get them. Well, I'm sure there might be other ways to get high fives, but you're not gonna get the high fives from me if you don't come and subscribe. Until the next bounce, everyone. God damn it! Fuck.